Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to turn off Discord notification sound easily. Follow the every step carefully. If Discord pings are disturbing you during gaming, studying, or working, you can mute them in just a few steps. First, open Discord and click on the small gear icon called User Settings next to your username. Now scroll down and click on Notification. Here you will see different sound options like message, call, and server sounds. To completely turn off notification sounds, turn off the toggle called Sounds or disable each sound option one by one. If you want to mute only one server, right-click on that server icon, click Notification Settings, and choose Mute Server. You can mute it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or forever. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Discord tutorials.